Hi, good evening. Thank you for joining me here on Flipping Time. I've got another great watch review and feature setup to show you today. This is a men's digital model number W735 vibration alarm watch. Right now we're on the main timekeeping screen. And from here, we'll go ahead and show you the features and get started. So we've got the day of the week, month, date, and the time. So the way you set this is to hold down the 10 o'clock pusher, and that immediately goes to the second time slot is blinking. So if you'd like to reset that to 0, you're going to hit the 4 o'clock pusher, hit the 8 o'clock pusher, and that push takes you to the hour that you can change. You can go up and down with the 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock pusher. Up and down with the minute hand. Press the 8 o'clock pusher again. This is going to change you from 12-hour format to 24-hour. Because we're in AM, you're not seeing any change here. You won't see that till you're in PM. This is your year, month, and date. And this has an internal calendar. So once you have the date set, your day of the week will automatically, let's see, it's the 3rd, I think here. There we go. So yes, Monday the 3rd. One other thing that you can do on this main screen is if you hold down the 4 o'clock pusher, the vibration alarm, that's how you turn it on and off. Hold it down for a couple seconds. Now it's a vibration alarm instead of a beep alarm. And now it's a beep alarm if you have the alarm on. Okay, now we're in the timer setting. If you look down, there's a little notch above the timer. And this is a countdown timer. So it's at all zeros right now. So you're not going to be able to count anything down. You can do up to 24 hours. So this is hour. Hit the 8 o'clock minute and second. Okay. Hit adjust again to start. And there's your countdown timer. Okay. Now let's move on to the stopwatch. So this is going to count forward. All you do is hit the start button, stop, and the 2 o'clock pusher is the reset. This also has a split timer. So if you hit split, it actually starts a second timer. And then whenever you hit stop, you can see there's your second timer, and that's reset. The third screen is the alarm. You're going to hit the 10 o'clock pusher, set the alarm, hours, minutes. Now it's on. That means it's on. Now how do you turn it off? Okay, that's going to be the 2 o'clock pusher. Alarm's on. The second one says signal. That means that it's going to beep every hour. Alarm's on and signal's on, and now they're both off. Last, you have a dual time. If you want a second time zone on, you can put it on there. There's your main screen. Oh, that's not the main screen. There it is. And the last thing we have is a nice bright backlight. So there you have it, guys. A very nice, well-built Casio. These have very big batteries in it. They're supposed to last a really long time. Very popular watch. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. Do you like Casio watches? Have you had a good experience with them? And this will be up for sale on my eBay store, so check it out.